What does premium, deductible, copay, coinsurance, and claim really mean? It means that an American family of four will pay $25,000 a year in health insurance and $6,000 more per year in care when they actually use their insurance. Does that number seem high? That's because employers pay for about 40% of those healthcare fees, which is deducted before you see your paycheck. If you didn't have to pay for healthcare through your job, that pay would be yours. Our current insurance system robs you coming and going. That's why we need universal personal care. It's exactly as it sounds. It means saving $2,600 a month in fees. It means you don't have to know any insurance jargon. It means going to the doctor when you're sick and not having to swipe a credit card at any point in the process. It means not choosing to skip medical care because you lost your job. Hello, friends and neighbors. My name is Kallas, and I'm the only working class candidate running for U.S. Congress in Illinois' 8th District. And I've had to make some of the same tough choices as you. I was laid off a short time after requesting an accommodation for a back disability. The first check I got from the unemployment office took a denial, a delay, and 6 weeks to arrive. It wouldn't even cover the average cost of rent in my district, let alone the $300 per visit I had to pay for physical therapy. And that's what it cost when I had insurance. So I stopped going. My then fiance and I were lucky because we could make an easy decision. We got married early so I could be on her health insurance. So that's the system we have right now. Lose your job, lose your health care, lose your whole life. If elected, universal personal health care will be my #1 priority. It's the first in my Working Families Bill of Rights for a reason. This is a government-funded system with one national plan that covers all care, including body, mental, dental, vision, hearing, long-term support, and elder care. It also means you control your own care, not bureaucrats in D.C. or Springfield. And it reinstates the privacy protections that we lost when the illegitimate Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. It's the only moral path forward, but it's also the best path for your family's finances. The average family of four loses $1.25 million over 40 years paying for health care. That's why we can't afford homes. It's why we can't go on the same family vacations of the last generation. It's why we will be stuck until we decide that it's time for a change. Do you think it's time for a change? Let's do what needs to be done. Visit KallasForCongress.com to step up and help out.